Please note that this is not a tutorial on how to replace the control wheel of the fz200. This thing here, it's just a really a brief description of how I managed to do it. There's some still photos and a little bit of video, but it's not intended as a guide to do it. If you want to have a go to Graham Orton's site on YouTube, and he's the leading expert on Panasonic bridge cameras, and he has a really good tutorial how to do it. See the button effects. There's the menu, but when you press in, nothing happens. And when I go to manual mode, it's same. Nothing. The circular movement works for the settings, but no. The only way I can do it is to go into Q mode, and this is the other way of doing it, which is too long-winded really. We can't be messing about with this. And this is the way you do it then. Too much messing. It needs a replacement. So I'm going to have a go at doing it. I think I should be able to do it. I'm going to follow Graham Orton's tutorial on YouTube, and I would say he's probably Britain's leading expert on Panasonic bridge cameras. He knows everything you could ever want to know. Graham Orton has it on his site. Well worth a look. So here we go. Bought these fine screwdrivers. They've got to be fine. I think it's 000, I think. I'm not right sure. For the cross-headed screws on the camera body and all the other screws. Quite good set, fine set. Amazon. I think they're about £7, I think. Well worth it. Here we've got the camera assembled, all back together. There's the control wheel working again now. If you move the wheel, now we can get the aperture setting, or opens up to the full aperture. And pressing the wheel, and now we get the shutter speed. Everything's working okay now. Quite a simple, straightforward job really. Well worth doing if you've got one of these cameras. The replacement wheel was about, I think about £16, 15 or £16, and it didn't take long to come from Alliexpress. Definitely worth having a go at. No problems. I found it quite straightforward following Graham Horton's tutorial. Just go to his site and follow it. It's really good. Really good.